Come on in. I'm Sandy with the Allnutt Group at the agency. Welcome to 1388 Hunter Drive. You'll love this absolutely beautiful custom-built lakefront home located in Woodlawn Estates with access to Peninsula Golf Course. It has an open floor plan, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a finished walkout basement complete with game room, a bar area. There are 2 decks and a dock for your boat. So much more you'll want to see it to appreciate. Thank you for viewing our listing. If you liked what you saw, don't delay. Schedule today.